Welcome to our channel. If your passport is expiring or has already expired, follow these step-by-step instructions to renew it online through the official government portal, saving time and avoiding in-person visits. Step 1. Visit the official passport renewal website for your country. In the US, go to travel.state.gov and navigate to the passport renewal section. Step 2. Check if you're eligible for online renewal. Generally, you must have your previous passport. It must be undamaged and issued when you were 16 or older. Step 3. Create an account on the passport renewal portal or log in if you already have one. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Step 4. Complete the online application form with your personal information, including full name, date of birth, and contact details. Step 5. Upload a recent digital passport photo that meets the official requirements for size, background, and quality. Step 6. Pay the passport renewal fee using a credit or debit card through the secure payment gateway. Step 7. Review all information carefully before submitting your application to ensure accuracy and avoid processing delays. Step 8. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email with your application tracking number. Processing typically takes 6 to 8 weeks for routine service. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.